Emotions are something we all experience: happiness, anger, fear, surprise. But for individuals with autism, emotions can appear and be expressed a little differently. You see, autism affects how a person processes and shows feelings. A child or adult with autism might feel emotions just as deeply as anyone else, sometimes even more intensely, but may not express them in ways we expect. For example, a child might laugh during a sad situation, not because they find it funny, but because that's how their body reacts to stress or confusion. Another person may feel very happy but show little facial expression or tone of voice. Some may struggle to identify or name what they are feeling. This is known as alexithymia, or difficulty recognizing emotions in oneself or others. People with autism might also find it hard to read facial expressions, gestures, or tone, which can make social situations confusing or overwhelming. But that doesn't mean they don't care or lack emotion. It simply means they express and experience emotions differently. What helps most is patience, understanding, and clear communication. When we take time to listen, observe, and accept these differences, we make space for genuine connection and emotional growth. Every emotion matters, it's just shown in a unique way. And that's the beauty of neurodiversity, understanding minds that feel and express in their own special way. Let's continue to learn, empathize, and evolve together.